Today we're talking about navigating bankruptcy and specifically discharging tax debt. So have you been struggling to pay off your debt and considering bankruptcy as a last resort? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how the IRS tax liens work, maybe what to expect during bankruptcy proceedings, and some crucial tips to consider before making this life-changing decision. Hi, my name is attorney Theron Morrison, and I have worked with thousands of families and individuals, helping them navigate the complicated world of bankruptcy. And today, once again, I'm discussing one of the biggest challenges many people face. That's dealing with the IRS and tax liens. So are you feeling overwhelmed by your tax debts and wondering how a tax lien could potentially affect your ability to declare bankruptcy? Does the thought of dealing with the IRS while managing your financial struggles add to your stress? You are not alone. Well, in today's video, you're going to learn several tips that I think will significantly improve your understanding of tax liens and bankruptcy and empower you to make informed decisions about your financial future. From understanding the difference between unsecured and secured debt to knowing when and how tax debt can be discharged in bankruptcy, these tips will help you navigate the complex intersection of tax law and bankruptcy proceedings. First, you need to understand tax debt. Well, you have to identify whether your tax debt is secured or unsecured. Unsecured debt can be discharged sometimes in bankruptcy, but if a tax lien has been filed by the IRS, it converts to secured debt and changes the strategy that we're going to need when it comes to filing. Next, you need to evaluate the type of bankruptcy. Decide between a Chapter 7 and a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. A Chapter 7 may allow you to discharge certain unsecured tax debt, while Chapter 13 provides a repayment plan and a way to deal with secured tax debt. Next, you need to check the age of the tax debt. Now remember that this is more complicated than it sounds, but in general, only tax debts that are 3 years old or older from the date that they were due and timely filed can be discharged in bankruptcy. It's important to verify the age of your tax debt before you file. Now make sure all filed returns have been done. Make sure that you have filed all the necessary returns. Unfiled tax returns can complicate the bankruptcy process and impact the dischargeability of that debt. Be aware of tax liens. If the IRS has filed a lien against your property, that debt becomes secured and is not easily discharged in bankruptcy. Understanding tax liens can significantly impact your bankruptcy strategy. This is just a brief overview of some of the things with taxes. It gets so complicated that don't take this video as the end all and as your tax advice. Don't navigate these difficult, choppy financial waters alone. You need to have the experienced team, our experienced team at Morrison Law Group, I would suggest, to be your guide. Once again, we offer a free bankruptcy consultation where we can discuss your specific situation, clarify your options, and define the best course of action for you. Now remember, understanding your financial situation is just the first step in your financial recovery. Contact us today and let us help you navigate these difficult and sometimes murky waters of bankruptcy and tax law. Thank you.